Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change YouTube download quality. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click on a video right here. And before I download this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I can set the download quality. Now, in order for you to download videos on YouTube, it is important for you to have YouTube Premium. And so, if you don't have YouTube Premium, once you try to click download on a video, it's going to give you a pop-up saying that you need YouTube Premium, and you can basically follow the steps from there to get YouTube Premium. And also, one thing to note is that you can try YouTube Premium for free. Once you register, YouTube will give you 1 to 2 months for free. After that, you'll have to continue to pay. So that's how it works. Now, how do we basically change the YouTube download quality? Once you have YouTube Premium and you're in YouTube, expand the burger menu on the left side and click on Downloads. Here is where you'll find all your downloads, but by default, my videos that I download are currently set to lower quality, but you can change the YouTube download quality. In order to do that, click the settings gear in the upper right under the download section, and right here you'll find download quality. As you can see, it is set to standard, and I can set that to full HD or ask me each time, or even to set it to 720p or even to lowest. So right here you can see that I set it to full HD, and that's it. You don't need to click save or anything. The next time you download a video on YouTube, it's going to download it in full HD, and that's it, guys.